Hi everyone, I'm so excited to show you something magical today. How to create an absolutely adorable personalized Christmas storybook using Storybook Creator. Whether you're making it for your child, niece, nephew, or any special person in your life, this is going to be such a wonderful holiday gift that they'll treasure forever. I'll be walking you through the entire process of creating a beautiful storybook, and I'm going to use my adorable niece Abby as our star. We'll create a heartwarming story about Abby going on an amazing Christmas adventure with Santa, complete with stunning illustrations that will actually feature her likeness. How cool is that? Let me break down what we're going to do. First, we'll craft and customize our story. Then, we'll bring it to life with beautiful AI generated illustrations. And finally, I'll show you how to get this masterpiece printed into a professional quality hardcover book just in time for Christmas morning. Let's start with the fun part, creating our story. I have this wonderful idea about Abby joining Santa on his Christmas Eve journey around the world. I love this concept because not only will it be magical and exciting, but it's also a beautiful way to teach children about different holiday traditions across cultures. So I'll type in our story prompt. A baby named Abby helps Santa deliver presents around the world, visiting children in different countries and learning about how each culture celebrates the holidays and New Year. Perfect. Now, for a proper storybook, we'll want enough pages to really develop our story. The minimum for a physical book is 34 pages, so let's go with that. Would you believe that Storybook Creator can write our entire story in just 20 seconds? Let's watch the magic happen. And there we go. Let me read you the beginning. I think you're going to love this. Abby was a curious baby with big bright eyes and a heart full of kindness. This is a great first page. We can navigate through the different pages via the scrollable sidebar. Moving on to page 2, it says, one snowy night, Abby found Santa's magical sleigh in her backyard. Now on page 3, with a twinkle in his eye, Santa said, Abby, would you like to help me deliver presents tonight? Then on page 4, Abby's eyes widened with excitement as she nodded eagerly. And on page 5, Santa lifted Abby into the sleigh and they soared into the starry night sky. Oh my goodness, isn't that precious? Let me skip ahead a bit. This story takes Abby and Santa to Japan, Mexico, Kenya, Australia, and so many other wonderful places. Each stop teaches about different holiday traditions, from the Japanese New Year celebrations to Mexican Las Posadas. I absolutely love how educational and heartwarming this is. After we've finished writing the story, we come to the exciting part, creating our illustrations. We can do this page by page by uploading a reference image of Abby and describing our art style and the scene for the page. But since we're all eager to see our book come to life, I'll show you a super helpful feature, bulk image generation. First, I'll upload a photo of Abby. This will help the AI create illustrations that actually look like her. Then, I'll describe a lovely watercolor style that's perfect for children's books. You can choose any style you like, realistic, cartoon, even something more whimsical. I'll now click Generate All Images and watch the magic happen. It might take up to a minute to start seeing the first few images generate, but let's skip ahead to for now to see the results. Look at these first illustrations. They're absolutely magical. The AI has captured Abby's likeness as perfectly in that opening scene, where she's described as a curious baby with bright eyes. The next page shows her magical encounter with Santa in the backyard, and then that heartwarming moment when Santa invites her on the adventure. The illustrations are bringing our story to life beautifully. Let me show you something important. See this gray border area? This is called the trim area, and it's crucial for physical books. Think of it as a safety zone. We want to keep all important elements like text and key image details within the inner white area to ensure nothing gets cut off during printing. The next set of illustrations are just delightful. We see Abby's eyes sparkling with excitement, and then this wonderful scene of Santa lifting her into his sleigh under the starry sky. Oh, I noticed the Y in sky is slightly into the trim area. We'll make a note to adjust that later. Now we're getting into the magical journey around the world. Here's a helpful tip about the image generation process. If you ever need to make adjustments or want to start over, you can simply refresh the page. Don't worry, you'll only be charged for the successfully generated images. This gives you complete control over creating the perfect illustrations for your story. Now we're in India, where the AI has beautifully captured Abby admiring the intricate Rangoli patterns during Diwali. The Festival of Lights looks absolutely magical. Watch as Abby joins the celebrations, dancing and enjoying sweet gulab jamun while holding sparklers. Our journey continues to Brazil, where we see the charming tradition of children leaving socks by the window for Papai Noel. The next illustration shows Abby doing the samba with local children. In China, the scene is filled with vibrant lanterns and spectacular dragon dances for Chinese New Year. Look at how Abby's eyes light up as she receives her lucky red envelope and tastes traditional dumplings. The cultural details in each illustration are simply wonderful. As we approach the end of our story, we see Abby's heart swelling with joy, realizing how the holiday season brings happiness to children worldwide. Santa's gentle smile says it all, as he thanks her for helping spread cheer and understanding different cultures. The story concludes beautifully, with Abby sharing her worldwide holiday adventure with everyone she meets. And every holiday season, she remembers the joy of spreading love and learning about different traditions. What a wonderful message for children. Before we finish, let me share an important tip about quality checking your book. Always review your illustrations carefully for any text or characters that might extend into the trim area, and look out for any details that need adjusting. This ensures your printed book will be absolutely perfect. Perfect! Now that our book looks magical, let me show you how easy it is to get your book ready for printing. With just one click, we can generate a print-ready PDF of all our pages. It only takes a minute or two. And there we go. How great is that? You can also download all of your images as PNG files instead of as a PDF. Now for the exciting part, ordering your physical copy. Simply enter your shipping address, and your personalized storybook will be on its way. And here's a special holiday treat. Use code HOLIDAY22 at checkout for an exclusive discount. I hope this demo has shown you just how simple and fun it is to create a personalized storybook that will become a cherished keepsake. Whether it's for Christmas or any special occasion, Storybook Creator helps you make magic happen. Why not start your own story today? Thanks for joining me.